Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best gifts is probably one of the most exciting and sometimes challenging aspects of the holiday season, especially when it comes to finding that perfect something for the older kids in your life, who often have more developed tastes and a clearer idea of what they want, making the quest for a truly memorable present a delightful adventure in thoughtful selection and understanding their evolving interests. Number 5. ThinkFun Gravity Maze Logic Game. Spark your imagination and hone critical thinking skills. Tackle engineering challenges through play, fostering intellectual development in an immersive STEM experience. This innovative game merges fun and education, making it ideal for fostering classroom skills. Watch as your child becomes engrossed in strategic planning, both in school and at home. Open a world of construction possibilities as you solve marble puzzles that challenge your imagination. It includes everything you need for endless design possibilities. You'll love solving challenges, constructing complex runs, and building marble runs with friends and family. This also helps build communication and reasoning skills. It's a great birthday or holiday gift for kids who love logic games and creative problem solving. They will learn from this challenging, Montessori-friendly game. What we like. This game is a fantastic blend of fun and learning. It challenges kids to think critically and solve problems through engaging gameplay. If you have a child who loves puzzles and enjoys building, this is a perfect choice for them. What people say. This is a great gift for kids who love to build and create. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for younger children. It's a fun and engaging toy that provides hours of entertainment. Number 4. The Big Book of Silly Jokes for Kids. Prepare for endless laughter with this hilarious collection. It's packed with jokes that will have kids rolling on the floor. Discover a world of humor designed specifically for young audiences. These jokes are perfect for sharing with friends and family. This book is your go-to source for side-splitting fun. You'll find a joke for every occasion and every sense of humor. We've curated the best jokes that kids will love. Get ready for smiles, chuckles, and plenty of giggles. Keep your little ones entertained for hours with this fantastic book. It's the perfect way to brighten any day. Encourage fun and connection by sharing these silly jokes. It's a wonderful way to create happy memories together. What we like. This book is packed with laughter for young readers. It's designed to be engaging and easy to understand, making reading a fun activity. If you're looking for a way to encourage your child to read more or need a simple, fun gift, this joke book is a great option. What people say. This is a great gift for kids who love to build and create. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for younger children. It's a fun and engaging toy that will keep kids entertained for hours. Number 3. GlowCity Glow-in-the-Dark Basketball. Introducing the GlowCity Basketball, designed to bring excitement to your nighttime games. It's perfect for players of all ages, from kids to adults. Enjoy up to 30 hours of glowing fun with its built-in LED lights. This ball is ready for extended play sessions, day or night. Simply bounce it to activate the brilliant glow. It automatically turns off when you stop playing, conserving energy. Crafted with a tough, water-resistant rubber exterior, it's built to withstand both indoor and outdoor play, keeping the lights protected. Get started right away with pre-installed batteries and clear instructions. Just inflate it and you're ready to make some amazing shots. Looking for an unforgettable gift? This light-up ball is a fantastic choice for birthdays and holidays, guaranteed to be a hit with kids and teens. What we like. This basketball brings a whole new level of excitement to nighttime play. It's built to last and easy to use, making it perfect for outdoor fun after sunset. If you have kids who love basketball and want to extend their playing time into the evening, this light-up ball is a must-have. What people say. This is a great gift for kids who love to build and create. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for younger children. It's a fun and engaging toy that will keep kids entertained for hours. Number 2. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone. Experience more excitement than ever before with this incredible drone. It offers thrilling maneuvers like tossing to launch, circle flying, and amazing 3D flips, making it a hit with everyone. Designed for ease of use, it features auto-hovering for stable flight and headless mode for intuitive control. This makes flying a breeze for kids and beginners alike. Enjoy up to 21 minutes of flight time with 3 included batteries. Never worry about a dead battery again, and fly with confidence thanks to the low battery alarm. Its mini and portable design makes it perfect for taking the fun anywhere, parties, school, or even on long journeys. It's the ideal gift for any occasion. Fly with peace of mind thanks to the full propeller protection guards. They ensure safety for both the pilot and the drone, preventing accidental damage. To avoid interference when flying multiple units, power on and pair each drone and remote control separately. This ensures a smooth and uninterrupted experience for all. What we like? This drone is incredibly user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners and younger children. Its safety features ensure a worry-free flying experience. If you're looking for a first drone for a child that's easy to control and safe to operate, this mini drone is an excellent starting point. What people say. The product is well made and durable, perfect for active kids. It has a unique design that stands out from other toys. The features are engaging and provide hours of entertainment. Number 1. Blue Marble National Geographic Magic Chemistry Set. Get ready for 10 mind-blowing science experiments that feel like magic. Your kids can make a coin float, change watercolors, and create instant snow. These experiments are designed to be performed as magic tricks. With the included wand and gloves, your child can truly become a magician. Our unique guide features illustrated, easy-to-follow instructions. It also explains the science behind the magic and includes fascinating facts. No need to search for extra supplies. This kit provides all the tools necessary for every experiment, so the fun can begin immediately. This award-winning product encourages education, imagination, and creativity. We ensure a stellar experience with dedicated US support. What we like? This kit turns science into an exciting magic show for kids. It provides all the necessary materials for impressive experiments that also teach scientific principles. If your child is fascinated by magic and curious about science, this kit offers a unique and educational way to explore both. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It's easy to assemble and use. The design is sleek and modern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.